Assalamu alaikum to all of you. For the very first, I am grateful to Almighty Allah, and secondly, I'm going to start. I'm going to start from where I am teaching you. This is lecture number 3 of class 7th mathematics. Okay. So let's start. Today we are going to study important points, and then these are some important points about solving exercise 1.1. Okay. Previously I have taught you the 3 forms of set. Number 1 was the descriptive form, the second one was tabular form, and the third one was set builder form. Okay. So we know that in set builder form we have some symbols as I have taught you. Okay. So let's start. Here I want to tell you about some numbers, some tricks, and what it has been written. Prime numbers, right? A number which is a whole number greater than 1, only factors are 1 and itself. It means that in prime number is a number or some numbers which have which is a whole number. Whole number means it is not a fraction. It is neither a fraction nor decimal number. Okay. And it is not an integer. It is a whole number. Whole number means whole number starts from 0 and ends to infinity and goes on infinity. Okay. Positive infinity. So the prime numbers refers to greater than 1. Like they must be greater than 1, and these have must be only one factor and themselves. Like if we talk about 2, so if we write 2 2 ones are 2. Okay. Let me set this one. I'm not getting how it will be set, so let it leave. If I write 2 multiply 1 is equal to 2, it means that 2 ones are 2. In this, 2 is a factor. 2 is a like let's take in this example. If I add 2 to the 4, so here for understanding prime numbers, we have to study the definition of factors. We should understand the definition of factors and multiples. So firstly, I want to tell you about definitions of factors and definition of factors and multiples. So we can define factors and multiples in this. We can have brought here. We can define factors and multiples in this way. A factor is a number that divides divides the given number exactly with 0 as a remainder. It means that when we divide when we divide, if I write 2 to the 4, if here I have written 2 to the 4, so here it means that 2 is a factor of 4. 2 is a factor of 4. Here that in definition we have studied, and that a factor is a number that divides, and that can divide यानी कि वो जो डिवाइड करता है, that divide the given number, जो दिया हुआ नंबर एग्जैक्टली with 0. जब हमें फैक्टर वो चीज़ होती है जो हमें एक नंबर हमें दिया हुआ है ना, ये वाला, ठीक है. तो अगर इसको हम डिवाइड करेंगे इसके साथ, तो वो पूरा का पूरा डिवाइड हो जाएगा, ठीक है. इनके रिमाइंडर हमारे पास 0 बचे. ये 6 को अगर हम 3 से डिवाइड करें तो 3 2 से 6 आ जाएगा, रिमाइंडर 0 बचेगा ना. अगर हम 4 को 2 से डिवाइड करें तो 2 तक 4 पूरा डिवाइड होता है ना, तो मतलब वो इसका यानी कि 2 4 का फैक्टर है, ठीक है. इसी तरह 3 6 का फैक्टर है, 3 6 का फैक्टर है, और 2 6 का फैक्टर है. इसलिए मैंने यहाँ पे लिखा है कि 2 and 3 आर फैक्टर्स ऑफ 6, ठीक है. यहाँ पे एक 2 इसलिए लिखा है कि 2 नंबर तो एक ही है ना, तो दोनों 2 4 के फैक्टर्स हैं, ठीक है. यहाँ पर ओके. आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड. सो गो अहेड. The third definition we have, okay, in multiples definition, what are multiples? I want to tell you about multiples definition. So 1 second. Here we have multiples definition. A multiple, here watch it. A multiple is a number. A multiple is a number which that is obtained by multiplying the given number with any whole number. Here whole number also means the same as I have taught you before. So a multiple is a number that is obtained by multiplying the given number with any whole number. It means that now I have a question for you. 6 multiplied 2 is equal to 2. In this table, show factors and multiples separately. Okay. So but before this I want to tell you that I want to give you an example. I would like to give you an example in which you can easily understand. You may easily understand. Okay. So here we have an example. Like I'm not getting where. Okay, let's take the previous example. Here we have example multiples. As I write 5 multiplied 6 is equal to 30. 5 6 are 30. Okay. Here 30 is the multiple of 5 and 6. 30 is the multiple of 5 and 6, and 5 and 6 are the factors of 30. It means that 4 is a multiple of 2 and 6 is a multiple of 3 and 2. 6 is a multiple of 3 and 2, and 2 and 3 are factors of 6. Same meaning. Okay. If I say 5 is a multiple of 30, then it will be correct. Or I say 6 is a multiple of 30, then it will be correct as well. Okay. So 6 is and if I say I want to ask you, I have a question for you. If I say 6 is a factor of 30, is it right? Okay. And if I say 30 is a multiple of 6, 5 and 6 are the factors of 30, and 30 is the multiple of 5 and 6. If I say 30 is the multiple of 5, then it will be right. 5 is not a multiple of 30. And I have a question. 1 second. Is this statement right or wrong? As I have taught you, observe this one, and as I have taught you the definition of factors and multiples, and I have given you the previous examples. So you are supposed to tell me, is this statement right or wrong? This statement, if you tell me the right answer, so I will I will get, you are getting my points, you are getting my teaching. Okay, so go ahead. Okay, so you are supposed to get my points. You are supposed to get the main points. Okay, what is whole number? It means that a complete number which is neither a fraction nor decimal number or integer. Okay, I have taught you before. That's it. Thank you so much.